Every video you're seeing here was generated using Google's Veo AI model, and I didn't pay anything. First, open this link in your browser. I've also added the link in the video description. Once the page opens, you'll see the sign-up screen. Now you need to enter your email address to start the sign-up process. For this demo, I'm using this email address. If you want to know how to create this type of email, you can watch my previous video where I explain it step by step. After entering the email, you'll receive a verification code. Go to your inbox, copy the verification code, then paste it here to complete the verification. Now you'll see an error. Don't worry, this is normal. Simply go back and click this button here. Next, enter your name. Then click Agree and get started. That's it. Your account setup is complete. New accounts receive 30 days of free generation. That way, you can continue generating videos without paying for credits. I'll see you in the next video.